Punta Cana, where the local time is 5 hours behind the UK, making it 2:55 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has found it safe enough for it to be switched off. Now that we have left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before you do leave us today, please be sure you have everything with you. Take a look in the seat pockets, around the seat area and in the overhead compartments. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments just in case anything has moved around that could fall out. Any items of lost property that would do fine will be handed to the airport team here in Punta Cana and is not taken back to the UK, so please do check you have all your personal belongings with you. If you were given an additional seatbelt or life jacket, please can we ask you to leave these on the aisle seat as you leave the aeroplane. And for those customers who have requested assistance, we just ask you to remain seated until all other customers have disembarked. Then the cabin crew and the ground staff will be free to assist you further. You'll need to have your passport and any relevant completed documentation ready for the immigration authorities. And as a reminder, smoking is not allowed, including vapes, electronic and nicotine devices resembling cigarettes until you're well outside the terminal building. Once the aeroplane has stopped, the cabin crew will take a couple of minutes to focus on carrying out their safety duties. Will they come back to give you further information on which doors we use to leave? Once the steps are in place, we'll be inviting our premium club passengers to disembark first. And as a reminder, for those of you sat in the economy club cabin, please remember to take your headphones with you as you will need these for your return flight home. For those of you sat in our premium club cabin, please leave any remaining headsets on the seat as you will get fresh air. We do hope you have a fantastic holiday here, and we look forward to seeing you on your return flight home. Thank you for flying with TUI Airways and a very good afternoon.